You're listening to the Master Passive Income Podcast Network. Welcome to the free real estate investing course with me, Dustin Heiner, host of the Master Passive Income Podcast, and I'm going to help you to become a successful real estate investor. In this course, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step how to invest in real estate, and I kid you not, I currently sell this course for $500. It's a video course. Now, there is a couple other things in there, or a lot of other things inside there, but this is the meat of it. I sell this course for $500 on my website, masterpassiveincome.com. Well, because I love podcasting, my Master Passive Income podcast that I've had for, 8 years now, just solo show teaching you how to invest in real estate, I decided I wanted to give this away for free on here because I love podcasting, because you found this. And so you can get all of this if you go to my site and pay $500 right now, or you can go to my site and get the rest of it for free. I'm going to give you my free real estate investing course in PDF so you can download, plus other great goodies if you text the word rental to 33777. Rental to 33777. I'll give you my real estate investing course completely for free with a whole bunch of other bundles of good stuff. If you go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course, going to give you that as well. And I would love it if you get anything out of this, that you would give this a 5-star review on Apple or Spotify and share it with one person, because my goal is to help 1 million people to invest in real estate. Hopefully you are one of them, and then your friends are as well. And let's get into this next lesson. I am so excited that you are a part of this investing in real estate course, and I'm super excited that you're taking this journey with me. Now, remember, in the last introduction video, I was telling you how to think about how your life would be if you had $6,500 a month extra coming into your pocket, or more. What if you had $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month coming into your pocket every single month in passive income without you working? Wouldn't that be amazing? Just think, what about even just $500? If you had just a $500 extra paycheck coming in every single month without doing anything, wouldn't that just change your life? I bet it will. I know it did for me. So let's jump into day number 1. This is get your life ready for investing. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is this quote from Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker is a very, very good businessman. So today, knowledge has power. It controls access to opportunity and achievement. So we're going to be working on our mind today, not even looking at real estate. We're going to be working on us, because there's so many things that could actually hinder us and stop us from our investing and getting to our goals. And I've been there. So, all right, so let's get started. Identify your current financial situation. I want you to look at yourself and say, how am I doing financially? Am I going into debt? Am I saving? Am I just living paycheck to paycheck? We need to identify how we are with our spending and our earning in order to invest, because we need money to invest, but also we need to not spend money that we don't have. Here's a quote from Robert Kiyosaki, the writer of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. What a banker will ask for is your financial statement. Your financial statement is your report card for the real world. You know, in school, we got regular report cards, A, B, C, D, F, all of our grades for math, English, all that sort of stuff. Well, that's a report card for how you're doing. Well, your financial statement is your report card for how you're doing financially in the real world. If you're getting Fs in your financial statement where you're going into debt, you have lots and lots of debt, the bank is not going to give you any money to borrow because they don't think they're going to get their money back. What a banker will ask you for is your financial statement, and that's your report card. You need to know your financial report card, and we're going to actually apply that. I want you to download and fill out the SBA, Small Business Administration financial statement, and this is going to walk you through going through the process of figuring out what you are or how you are financially. And you can download this form on my website and with all my resources page. I'll put the link below this video so you can easily click on it and go to get the statement. I want you to download and fill this out, because what this is going to do, it's going to get you ready to see if you are ready to invest, or if there's some more work we need to do before we start investing. So download it and fill it out, and we'll use it in the future. The next step we need to do is create a budget to save for future investing. So after you've got all done with your financial statement, you see where you're at, now we need to figure out, how do we stop spending so much money, and how do we actually start saving money to invest? George Washington has a great quote. We must consult our means rather than our wishes. If we don't have cash, if we're in debt, if we're very poor in financial knowledge where we spend more than we have and go into further debt, we don't have any means to invest. And so what we want to do is focus on our budget and our spending to see where we're at so we can start saving money for the future. Let's work on creating a budget. So let's create a budget. Ask this question to yourself. Are you going into debt every month? Are you racking on debt in credit cards or your mortgage payment, your car note? Are you going into debt every single month? Creating a budget, what we're going to do is we're going to control our spending. We're going to save for investing. We're going to pay down our debt. We're going to give your money a job to do. So from controlling your spending, that's making sure you don't overspend. Saving for investing so that in the future you can buy the properties that you're ready to buy that's going to be making you money. You want to pay down the debt so you don't have any more debt. You also want to give your money a job, meaning every dollar is doing something for you to where it's either making you money or it's buying a property or something like that. What I want you to do is I want you to go to download this form, masterpassiveincome.com/budget. And what you'll do is you'll download this budget worksheet. It's an Excel file. You just type in the numbers in each one. Very, very simple. Everything from your income to your expenses, and it pops it out. You can get much more detailed than this, but this is a quick way to get you to see, are you going into debt every single month, or are you actually saving money or making money where you can put it into an account where you can invest in the future. We want to look to see our financial statement as well as our budget. So these two things are your homework that you're going to have to do this week. Now, what these accomplish, you see your world in a new way. What you used to think was your world where, hey, your money was fine. You might be going into debt a little bit here and there. You might have enough in your financial statement to show that you're willing or that you're able to repay and banks would be willing to lend you money. You'll be able to see exactly how you are, not how you want them to be or you wish them to be. Also, opportunity comes to those who are prepared. If you are prepared to buy a property that's going to make you money, you can easily do it. But if you're not prepared, then you can't buy the property because you don't have anything set up to get ready to buy the property, as well as you're in debt, so nobody's going to lend you money. So this is what this accomplishes, and I really want you to focus on putting extra effort into getting both the financial statement done and the budget done. So make sure you do both of those. All right, so this is the end of day one. Now, this is the next steps that I want you to do. Very, very simple. Do your homework, and we've already talked about your homework. Fill out the financial statement form. Obviously, download it first, print it out, and fill it out because you want to make sure you know where you're at. Also, go through the quick budget worksheet. Again, it's another download that I want you to go through, and it's Excel sheet so that you're going to be able to quickly and easily just type in the numbers. So make sure you do both of these things, and that's going to help you in the future. And remember, all of these steps that we're doing every single day, it's going to build on the next one. So day 2, you're going to be utilizing day 1. Day 3, you're going to be utilizing day 2 and 1. So all that, every single time that you go to the next video, it's going to build on itself so you can keep growing. It's like I said, it's a foundation. We're starting, we're growing, we're building up. And watch out for tomorrow's email for day 2 of the real estate investing course. Why you should invest in rental properties. I got to tell you, I'm excited about this next day, day number 2, because this is where we start seeing how amazing rental properties are, how my life has changed because of rental properties, and how you can even make 780% return on your money in 1 year. Imagine getting that in the stock market. If you could do that, anybody would diving into that one particular stock. Anyways, thank you so much for being a part of this investing in rental properties and real estate course. And that is it for this one. Remember, get my real estate investing course completely for free. Text the word rental to 33777 or go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course. And if you got anything out of this, I would appreciate it if you went to Apple or Spotify or wherever you're listening and give it a 5-star review. So hopefully more people will be able to learn how to invest in real estate and change their life. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one.